How have tariffs and the up and down in the stock market impacted the Milwaukee real estate market in the last couple of weeks? Anecdotally, I could tell you what I've heard from our clients, but I'm a data guy, so I want to see the numbers. Now, real estate moves at a much slower pace than the stock market, so what data point can we look at? New listings take months before they show up, and closings take at least 4 to 6 weeks before we see them in the data. So how do we know what happened, for example, last week? We have to look at buyer sentiment because buyer reaction is instant. So the best real-time indicator is the number of accepted offers per day. So that is basically a buyer who decided to write an offer on a listing last Saturday in order to get it hopefully accepted on Sunday, and you can't really get much more real-time than that. It was a little bit tricky to mine the data, but thanks to AI, I was able to chart it out for you. Here are the accepted offers per day all the way until the end of March. You can see how the spring market is slowly getting into gear and ramping up. You see the weekly pattern, the orange spikes mark the weekends. And tariffs were announced on April 2nd, and the stock market crashed hard in the following 2 days. And here is what buyers did on the following weekend. Look at that increase. You would think that the market slows down, that buyers are taking at least a couple weeks to digest the news. Nope, quite the opposite. Now, things are changing so quickly, and I don't know what will happen next, but I will definitely keep you posted. My name is m.auerbach with Keller Williams, and I make data-driven content on YouTube, so you know exactly what's going on in the Milwaukee real estate market.